the Proterozoic Eon. A time of great change, the Proterozoic Eon was a vast stretch of time lasting from 2.5 billion to 541 million years ago. It was a period of immense change. The Earth's atmosphere, oceans and continents underwent radical transformations. This eon set the stage for the emergence of complex life. It was a crucial turning point in our planet's history. One of the most significant events of the Proterozoic was the Great Oxidation Event. This event saw a dramatic rise in atmospheric oxygen due to the activity of cyanobacteria. These tiny organisms were the first to perform photosynthesis, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen gradually accumulated in the atmosphere, transforming the Earth's chemistry. The rise of oxygen had profound consequences for life. It paved the way for the evolution of aerobic respiration, and a process that allowed organisms to extract more energy from food, leading to the development of larger and more complex life forms. The Proterozoic witnessed the emergence of the first eukaryotes, cells that possessed a nucleus and other organelles, and were the ancestors of all plants, animals, and fungi. The Proterozoic Eon was a time of remarkable innovation, a period of great upheaval and change, laying the foundation for the explosion of life in the Phanerozoic Eon. It is a testament to the remarkable resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Cyanobacteria, the architects of Earth's atmosphere. Cyanobacteria are among the most ancient life forms on Earth. Their fossils date back billions of years. They are simple, single-celled organisms with an incredible ability, photosynthesis. They can harness sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. In the early Proterozoic, Earth's atmosphere had very little oxygen. Cyanobacteria thrived in this environment, spreading across the oceans and forming massive colonies called stromatolites. These structures are still found today in some parts of the world, a testament to the ancient legacy of cyanobacteria. As they continued to photosynthesize, they pumped more and more oxygen into the atmosphere, profoundly impacting the planet. Oxygen reacted with iron dissolved in the oceans, producing vast iron oxide deposits known as banded iron formations, a testament to the Great Oxidation Event. The increase in atmospheric oxygen was not without its challenges. Oxygen was toxic to many early life forms adapted to an anaerobic environment. The rise of oxygen led to a mass extinction, wiping out many anaerobic organisms, paving the way for the rise of oxygen-dependent life. Ozone, the shield against the sun. As oxygen accumulated in the atmosphere, it underwent a series of photochemical reactions, producing a new molecule, ozone. Ozone is a form of oxygen with 3 atoms instead of 2 and has a remarkable property. It absorbs ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. UV radiation is harmful to life, capable of damaging DNA and other biological molecules, leading to mutations and cell death. The formation of the ozone layer was a crucial step in the evolution of life on Earth. It provided a protective shield against the sun's harmful rays, allowing life to move out of the oceans and onto land. Before the ozone layer, life was confined to the depths of the oceans, where water provided protection from UV radiation. With the ozone layer in place, organisms could venture onto land without being exposed to lethal doses of UV radiation. The development of the ozone layer was a turning point in Earth's history, making the planet more hospitable to life and allowing for the diversification of life forms, setting the stage for the evolution of complex ecosystems on land. Section 4. Eukaryotes, the dawn of complex life. The Proterozoic Eon witnessed the emergence of a new type of cell, the eukaryote. Eukaryotic cells are larger and more complex than prokaryotic cells. They possess a nucleus which contains the cell's genetic material, and they also have other organelles, such as mitochondria and chloroplasts. The origin of eukaryotes is still a matter of debate among scientists. The prevailing theory is endosymbiosis. This theory suggests that eukaryotes arose from a symbiotic relationship between different types of prokaryotic cells. One prokaryote engulfed another. The engulfed prokaryote became an organelle within the host cell. Mitochondria, which are responsible for cellular respiration, are thought to have originated from engulfed bacteria. Chloroplasts, which are found in plant cells and carry out photosynthesis, are thought to have originated from engulfed cyanobacteria. Endosymbiosis is a remarkable example of cooperation in nature. It led to the evolution of the complex eukaryotic cell. The emergence of eukaryotes was a major evolutionary leap. It allowed for greater complexity and diversity in life forms. Eukaryotic cells are the building blocks of all plants, animals, and fungi. They are the foundation of all multicellular life on Earth. Section 5. Endosymbiosis, the power of collaboration. Endosymbiosis is a biological process in which one organism lives inside another. It is a type of symbiosis, a close relationship between two different species. In endosymbiosis, the relationship is so intimate that the engulfed organism becomes a part of the host cell. The theory of endosymbiosis explains the origin of mitochondria and chloroplasts. These organelles have their own DNA, which is similar to the DNA of bacteria. This suggests that they were once free-living organisms. They were engulfed by other cells and became integrated into their hosts. Endosymbiosis is a powerful force in evolution. It allows organisms to acquire new capabilities. It can lead to the emergence of new species. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Section 6. The legacy of the Proterozoic. The Proterozoic Eon was a time of great transformation. The Proterozoic Eon was a time of great transformation. It witnessed the rise of oxygen, the formation of the ozone layer, and the emergence of eukaryotes. These events had a profound impact on the evolution of life on Earth. The Proterozoic set the stage for the explosion of life in the Phanerozoic Eon. The oxygen-rich atmosphere and the protective ozone layer allowed for the diversification of life forms. The emergence of eukaryotes paved the way for the evolution of multicellular organisms. The legacy of the Proterozoic is all around us. The air we breathe, the plants and animals we see, and the very cells that make up our bodies are all products of this ancient eon. It is a testament to the remarkable power of life to adapt and evolve.